Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to Code Smart. In this video, I will tell you some important points while you are building your LinkedIn profile or you are searching for jobs. So you can use these points to improve your LinkedIn profile and you also get in their search result. So let's get started. Hi guys, so as you can see, this is my LinkedIn profile which you can see over here. So let's start with different sections over here. So first of all, you need to provide your name and this is the title of your profile. So this is very important. I have given that full stack developer at my company name and some other stuff. So if you are a student or a freshers, so try to provide a good keywords in this title so that recruiters can search you better. Recruiters generally try to search for JavaScript developers, full stack developers, backend developers, front-end developers, this kind of keyword specific searches. So this is very important, and so there are separate sections over here. As you can see, initially this is the about section. So try to provide certain information if you have any good project. So try to mention it over here, or if you have worked on certain projects in certain companies, try to mention that and try to mention some special functionalities which you have worked on over this section in a short way. So as you can see, I've given here. So this is what you can do over here. Next is the featured section. So in this section, you can feature your achievement, your special skills, or some certification, etc. You can add it over here. So I have added my lead code profile, my resume, my YouTube channel link over here, and Stack Overflow. So these are the things you can add it over the featured section. Now there is another section which is experience. So if you have some kind of experience and you can simply add position and you can fill up this form to add your experience. So try to add it over here and try to add like this way. For example, as you can see, this is my position and these are all the things. Try to add this description. As you can see over here, I have mentioned what project and what technological stack I have worked on and what are the features in which I have worked on in this company. So these are the things you can add over here. And also the next section is education. You can add your college degrees and your institution, everything over here. I have only added my diploma and graduation degree over here. You can add all your degrees over here. And next is the license and certification. So I will highly recommend you to please go through the LinkedIn courses. You can get some free courses over here itself, or you can go to LinkedIn Premium. You can watch courses on LinkedIn Learning, and you can get certificate over there. So as you can see, there are certain courses which I have taken. There are 13 courses which I have taken over here. So whatever certification you have, try to add it over here in this section. And next is the skills. So this is a very important section. Try to add limited number of skills and don't add too much of skills. Try to add limited number of skills and try to get some endorsement from your colleagues or your friends who are working with you or who are working in the industry. Try to get some endorsement. So as you can see, there are certain endorsements which I get over here, and also like whatever tech stack you mention over your experience, that will automatically gets added to here. So according to your experience, you can also take some skill quizzes. So what happen if you take some quiz of a specific skill, for example front-end development or MongoDB for specific skills. If you take some quizzes and if you pass that quiz good mark, then one check mark will add into with side of your skill set, so that will add extra point up to your profile. So you can try to go over here in skill assessment section and you can go for the quizzes. So once you complete your quiz and if you passed by good marks, then you will get green check mark on side of your skill set. So that will add extra bonus point for your profile. So let's try to talk about the next section. So this is the section of project. Yes. Then if you are freshers or under 1 year of experience, then try to do some good project and try to mention it over here and make sure you deploy it somewhere. Maybe you can deploy it in Heroku or Netlify or any cloud service provider. You can deploy it over AWS also. So try to deploy it over some of the places over internet and try to provide the link over here and try to provide good description of that project and what are the date of that project you have done. So try to add this in this section, so this will also help you. So these are the things which you have to taken care, and you have to arrange your profile this way, so that and these are the things which you can follow to make your profile better, so that recruiters can contact you directly or you can get some good opportunity to work for good companies. So that's it for this video, and I will talk to you in my next video, which will be how to arrange all of your skill set and everything, and how to make your resume such a way that all the recruiter will shortlist you for the interview. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel and like this video and share it with your friends.